Well, this is a different change in scenery. Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. As you guys can tell from that intro, we have a different truck on the channel today. Obviously, this is not the original GMC Sierra that you guys are used to. This is actually my father-in-law's truck. So we're going to be borrowing his truck for today's video, and there's a good reason for that. So here we have the our original GMC Sierra that you guys are used to seeing all the time on the channel, and this thing has kind of been sitting for a little bit. I got a few things that are kind of major, kind of not, that I need to take care of first. Once I get those things taken care of, then we will be back using this thing again, giving you guys videos, giving you guys content on this thing. But for today's video, this is a LED install video for my father-in-law's truck. We did make friends over at AUXITO Lighting. They sent me these lights actually for that thing right there, but I did tell him that I wanted to take care of the more serious issues on that thing first before we did anything else to that. So they said I could help out someone in need. So this truck at the moment, it does have LEDs, but they are Amazon lights, and you know how I feel about Amazon and audio shop lights. Advertised as good until you compare them against something else. So without further ado, let's go ahead and look at these AUXITO lights. So we come around back here, we're gonna let down our work table here and get into this package. This is, like I said, from my friends over at AUXITO, and we're gonna see what they sent us. All right, you guys, so I just pulled these out of the shipping package, and first impressions, how many lighting companies do you see shrink wrap their lights to you? So that's just off the rip. So now I'm gonna open this box, see what else we got as a surprise in here. Okay guys, so we are continuing with the first impressions of their packaging, and so far here we have, they give you gloves for installation. So we're gonna put these Michael Jackson gloves to the side here. Have some zip ties to tie up our wiring, and it comes with an Allen wrench here. And if I'm correct, this is for usually with LED lights, sometimes the beam pattern isn't where it needs to be from the factory, so I believe you can actually take this apart and adjust this to your headlight housing. Of course, here we have instructions. Don't need that. And here we have their H11 bulbs for our vehicle today. Here we have our resistor, says AUXITO on it. I had a comment on my fog light video. If you guys did not know, this is actually for vehicles other than GM that the circuit monitors the proper resistance on there. So with this is actually for your CAN bus, and it keeps the lights from actually flickering and turning off on you. So let's get a good look at these lights, and let's go ahead and start off with this install. Okay guys, so this is both of our lights pulled out the pack here. Before we go ahead and get these installed on the truck, let's go ahead and see what our current light situation is on here. Turn on our light switch. That's currently how we're looking right now. Not terrible, not terrible. definitely gets the job done. But I'm pretty sure with these AUXITO light bulbs that we can improve how we're looking right now. So let's go ahead, pop the hood, and get started. On the left here, we have our Amazon purchase. This one is actually still piping hot from when I took them out. And on the right here, we do have our new AUXITO bulb here. Got a nice fan in there, so this bulb will stay cool now. At least the Amazon one did have that CAN bus resistor in there as well. And so yeah, other than that, let's go ahead, get this installed, and we'll see how they light up.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so we do have one bulb installed at the moment. Let's go ahead and see if we can see a difference between left and the right. Okay, so first impressions, left side, right side. Step back a little bit. As you guys can see, left side is shining brighter than right side. This is not just me saying this. On the left here we have the AUXITO bulb, on the right here we have the Amazon one. So yeah guys, like I said, I'm not hyping it up. This is just where we're at right now. So I'm gonna go ahead, swap in this right side bulb, and we're going to go out and see what they look like on the street. All right, you guys, so we are at our usual light testing area. Those of our familiar bushes right there. So you already know what this is. We're going to be testing how good these things light up silhouettes. So as you guys can see, I believe I'm actually even further than whenever I bring my truck over here. And as you can see, I'm lighting up the bushes, and I'm really lighting up a lot of stuff past these bushes. I'll try to overlay a clip from when I was on the way over here. I was a good ways back and I could see a stop sign way down the street clear as day. So just so I don't mess this up, I'm going to read from the website. So these bulbs right here that they sent us for today's video, they are advertised at 120 watts with 24,000 lumens at 6500K, which is white, which is, as you guys can tell, these bulbs are very white. So they are advertised as the brightest H11 LED headlight bulbs. Yeah guys, the bulbs speak for themselves, or shine for themselves, I guess you could say. They light up a decent amount of the road here. The only thing is, his truck does not have a tinted windshield like mine does, so I can't give you guys that same effect with from the inside of the cab, but I can show you guys either way, because I know a lot of you guys don't have a tinted windshield. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so I can't turn off the radio screen on his truck like mine, but I'm gonna go ahead, turn that off. So you can see almost pitch black out here, and then I'm going to turn them back on. So I don't know how well this is going to show up on camera, but once again, like I said, I can see the bushes, and even there's a pole over there. You could probably see the reflective piece that's on that pole right there. So I'm shining well beyond these bushes is my point. So yeah guys, let me know what you guys think about these bulbs. I believe they are a great addition to our family here. AUXITO, they are definitely have proven to be a great bulb company. Like I mentioned earlier, you know how I feel about audio shops and Amazon light bulbs. They advertise to be great, and then you compare them to something like this and they fall short. So I believe our friends over at AUXITO have hooked you guys up with a discount code. Is either 10 or 15% off. I'll put the discount code right here. Other than that guys, let me know what you guys think, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.